is Shelly. Welcome to my channel. I usually do all kinds of products unboxing and review. So in case you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. So in today's video, we'll open some kids product. So let's open one by one and we'll see how it looks and how it works. So the first one, we'll open this one. Aqua Magic Drawing Mat. Glow in dark. So let's open this one. Glow mat. Okay? Do you like it? Okay. Okay. So this is this comes with some water pen and okay. So it comes with this stencils. Some what is this? Paper pig, you know? Okay. And what is this?
It's a dinosaur.
Okay, dinosaur. And what is this?
It's a Stegosaurus. Yes.
What is this?
It's a daddy.
No, it's not daddy. What is this?
It's an action man.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And what is this?
It's a shape.
Shape. Okay. So these are some stencils I got and some water pen. Magic water pen. Okay. And I got this to put it in the wall. Oh. Okay. Got some light. So I got 3 pins and let's open this one. So we'll put it in the wall and we'll see how it works.
Yes.
Yeah, here you can put this here like this so that you can put it in the wall like this way, like 4 corner. Yeah, he's doing this stencil.
Okay, he tied.
I put some water here and now I think it will work. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it works. Look, it works.
It's working.
Yeah, it's working.
We need to drop it. There's no water spoil.
Yeah, it's working. Okay.
Oh, there is water.
It's just regular water.
This is water.
Oh, yeah, you can put it.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
So this is how it is. I tried to put it in the wall, but this thing doesn't work with the wall, so that's why I have to put it in the glass. So in the glass, it just takes really easy. Yeah, you have to put it in the and this is how it works. It's just water and yeah, it dries so fast, so kids can write whatever they want and it will dry.
What is this? This is eraser. Maybe the other side we should have put or something.
No, it's not eraser. It's just water. You just have to write.
Okay.
Yeah. It's just regular water. You can write.
Is there a color or something? Or?
No, there is no color. It's just water. But this is just
what is this light?
This light is to focus.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Two.
Yeah, it will dry automatically, so they can write unlimited.
So you have to put water on it first?
No, you have to put water on this pen. Open it and it's just working with
that
water.
means if you do like this better. Okay, I got it.
So that's why they call it a magic eraser, because it just vanishes. Whatever you write, it will vanish automatically. Vanish means it's dry quickly. So
What?
yeah, and they give this light.
That light is for vanish or something?
No, there is nothing. There is no point for why they give the light. I don't know. But yeah, you can write here. Now we can write here.
Okay, let him write.
So guys, you can see this Aqua magic mat is really helpful if your kids want to draw or write and want to create something. Then this one is really helpful for their doodling work. Yeah, and my son really likes it. He is doing some fun activities with this mat. So the next one, I will open this paper plate craft set. So let's see how this one works. So it comes with this. Okay, so okay, this is okay, so there is so many stickers. Oh wow, so many stickers, and these are some paper plates. See how it works. Right, this is, so these are like this way. Okay, this is now I'm going to add a little bit of gum. So this okay, so put this and I put it here, and okay, let me make a decorate thing. So this is the way I just decorate one paper plate, or you can do the other similar way, like the way you want. You can, there are like so many creative way to decorate these paper plates, and it's like really a fun activity for your kids. This is one way I just decorate one paper plate, but there are so many creative way you can do and decorate the plates. Yeah, this is really a fun activity for your kids, and I really like it. So this one is also a bubble maker. So this is a bubble maker. So let's open this one. This is how this toy. This looks so.
What color is this?
It's a pink color.
Pink.
And I got two solution.
Oh,
Two solution.
I think the pink.
Okay, so let's open this one.
Here?
Here you can.
Oh, the problem.
Let's open this one. So let's open this one and.
Here we have two batteries. Just remember there are two batteries you have to put. So the first one is negative this side. So it is negative this side. So just do like this. And then second one negative this side. Do like this. 2, then 3. Always use this ribbon so that it's easy to remove the batteries. And then do it this way.
Oh, now it's working.
Hold on. It will just turn away.
Oh.
Where
So-
you can adjust all these things. So if you press this, no movement. Okay. Now the other one is with movement. Okay.
Okay.
So you can,
So here, this one is for movement, right?
yeah, the extreme right one. When the movement starts, this revolves, this turns on. So it just keeps moving everywhere.
Oh yeah.
You can turn off the movement if you don't want, and you just leave it.
And you can put some bubble water here. Bubble water. I put some bubble water and press it. Now it's making bubble. Turn the movement on, and you can see the lights. It looks really cool. Yeah, it looks cool. Yeah, it's moving.
It automatically turns.
Yeah. Oh, you can see the bubbles. So many bubbles. This is a cool feature.
It automatically turns.
Yeah. That's a good part. That it's turned automatically. It's turned automatically. That's really cool. For you to move somewhere, it's turned. If you even don't like to put the bubbles, you can use it as a toy also. And if you wire, that's why it's turning that way. This is really cool. Oh, making bubble. See, it's when it hits in the wall, it's just turning. This is really cool. I like it. Love it. Yeah, it's cool. Let's open this swim kit. So this swim kit is for kids above 5 years. So let's open this one. So this swim pants is. So it comes with like 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. Yeah. All have like you can blow it and use it as a kit. Okay. After blow, I use this pump, but I think you can do it with my mouth also. This is the smaller one, so the smaller one looks like this after blowing, and let's do it with you can do it with mouth also. So this is the large one. After blowing, this is the large one, and let's So these are the 3 switchables. So we can use it as for your kid size, I think, or my kid size. This one would be, the smaller one would be fine. Yeah, I can adjust this one too. Now I'm gonna. Yeah. This way you can use this one. Yeah, for the you can see this. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.